This is an eyeshadow tutorial on a dark skin goddess. I don't know how I forgot to record the transition for the eye, which was the brown that I did. Sorry about that. Anyway, I went in with the Blossom in black. Blossom her Nude story. Black is a very strong color. So whenever I'm taking or using black, I always make sure to be very careful. You don't just tap black or use black and then keep on going. You have to make sure that you make complete use of what has already been picked from your brush. Now the look I was going for, the eyeshadow I was going for, was something that was a bit bold but calm at the same time, because she had this natural hair, so I wanted, you know, the eyes to speak volume. I tap a little on my brush on the eye and then I blend it out. Like I take it from the ends to the beginning, you know, in circular motion and also in zigzag motion. So circular, zigzag motion. First off, you tap and then you take it round that axis. The excess, I take it forward. Okay, I did not tap on my eyeshadow palette and then take it forward again. It was the excess from my brush that I just brought to the inner corner of her eyes. One thing you need to note when using dark colors like very dark brown or black is that they would usually be harder to blend than light colors, and that's why you have to be very careful. Now what I was doing with this is, wherever I saw that, oh, I needed to add, I will add, but I make sure to utilize every single product that was already on the brush first. And when you're working with your eyes or your brows, you know, those parts that are two, like, you know, the eyes are two, the brows are two, you get the point. Always try and go back, you know, take a step back and see what you have done, okay, to know if there are differences. Now you cannot make everything the same, because even twins, they are not the same, but what we try to do is to make them as similar as possible. Hi love, and welcome back to my channel. I know this is usually supposed to be at the beginning, but I was like, let's do something different. My name is Rosenta and I am a makeup artist amongst many other things. On this channel I do beauty, lifestyle and chit chats. I believe you're here because of the beauty aspects of my videos, and I want to get to know you more, honestly. So let me know, are you a makeup artist? Are you somebody who just likes doing their personal makeup? Or you're somebody who, you know, took a fancy to my videos and decided to just watch? Also, are there tutorials you'd like to see? Maybe parts of makeup that you struggle with or you need somebody to like fully guide you on? You know, I'll be happy to help. So let me know in the comments, okay? I like to use flat fluffy brush for my matte eyeshadows, especially for the inner corners, because it gives me a more direct placement as opposed to just using a fluffy brush that's not flat. I'll just have it, you know, everywhere, including the areas I don't want to get it on. Make use of an eyeshadow primer if you want your eyeshadow to pop more, and if you don't have an eyeshadow primer, make use of a concealer. This is a one color eyeshadow tutorial on dark skin. Now if you'd love to see more eyeshadow tutorials, do let me know in the comments, okay? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on videos when I post. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Bye.